Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to stretch or enlarge the lock screen clock on your iPhone running iOS 26. It's a cool little customization trick, and it only takes a few seconds. Let's jump right in. First, wake up your iPhone and go to the lock screen. Now, long press anywhere on the screen until you see the lock screen editor pop up. At the bottom, you'll see a button that says Customize. Tap on it. Next, tap directly on the clock. That's the time display in the middle of the screen. Now here comes the fun part. Simply drag the clock downward just a little bit. As you do that, you'll notice the font of the clock starts to stretch, making it look bold and dramatic. This new iOS 26 feature lets you add a unique style to your lock screen by adjusting the thickness and shape of the clock. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now your lock screen can look a lot cooler with just one little tweak. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and customization tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.